How to use ChatGPT as a coding assistant. ChatGPT can be used as a coding assistant in various ways. Here are some possible approaches. 1. Code completion. ChatGPT can assist with code completion by suggesting possible code snippets or completing code for you based on the context and code you've already written. You can integrate ChatGPT into your favorite code editor or IDE, integrated development environment, to enable this functionality. 2. Syntax and error checking. ChatGPT can also help with syntax and error checking by flagging potential errors or suggesting corrections as you type. This can be especially useful for beginners or when working with unfamiliar languages or frameworks. 3. Documentation lookup. ChatGPT can assist with looking up documentation for a particular language, framework, or library. This can save time and improve productivity by providing quick access to relevant information. 4. Learning and education. ChatGPT can be used as a learning tool by answering questions about programming concepts, providing examples of code, and even offering personalized guidance and feedback on your code. To use ChatGPT as a coding assistant, you can integrate it into your code editor or IDE using an API. OpenAI provides an API for GPT models that can be used for this purpose. You can also use existing tools that integrate ChatGPT, such as Kite or Tab9. Here are some sources for more information on using ChatGPT as a coding assistant, AI assistants for coders, how OpenAI's GPT-3 is changing programming by Hacker Noon. This article provides an overview of how GPT-3 can be used as a coding assistant and includes examples of how it has been used in practice. How to build an AI coding assistant with OpenAI's GPT-3 by Towards Data Science. This article provides a tutorial on how to build a coding assistant using GPT-3 and Python. The future of coding is here, and it's not a keyboard by Forbes. This article discusses how AI language models like GPT-3 are changing the way we code and the potential impact on the future of programming. Tab9, AI-powered code completion by Tab9. Tab9 is a code completion tool that uses GPT-2 to suggest code completions based on the context and code you've already written. This article provides an overview of how it works and its features. I hope this helps you get started with using ChatGPT as a coding assistant.